we're transitioning from small cap to mid cap. And an American depository receipt is fundamentally an American security. So now it is an American security, and it is also on a primary U.S. exchange. It allows us to basically qualify for purchases in portfolios of portfolio managers that can only buy U.S. securities.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by John Passalacqua, the CEO of First Phosphate. John, very good to speak with you. What does the Nasdaq Global Market uplisting mean for First Phosphate and its access to U.S. investors?
Well, I think it corresponds with the growth in the company as we're transitioning from small cap to mid cap. And an American depository receipt is fundamentally an American security. So now it is an American security, and it is also on a primary U.S. exchange. It allows us to basically qualify for purchases in portfolios of portfolio managers that can only buy U.S. securities, or can only buy securities that are listed on certain stock exchanges. Obviously, the Nasdaq Global Market being one of the premier global exchanges, so it puts us right up there with any of the other larger companies in the critical minerals and technology space.
John, could the Nasdaq listing improve liquidity and visibility as you advance the Bégin-Lamarche project?
Yes, exactly. That's the reason most investors around the world can access Nasdaq. It's a primary exchange. We're on the Nasdaq Global Market. So yes, it gives us U.S. and international exposure that way. And it gives us access to capital in the future from those markets as well.
I mean, how does the greater U.S. market exposure support your ambition to build a North American mine-to-market LFP supply chain?
Yeah, so as we just mentioned, obviously for the investor exposure, investors being able to participate, but also a lot of our customers and a lot of our business will be in the US and in Europe as well. So it's important that we be on a leading transnational stock exchange such as the Nasdaq.
And with the listing now in place, what's the key operational and commercial milestones investors should watch next?
Yeah, so as we've put out to investors for the last little while, it's really our feasibility study that we're hoping to bring home by the end of 2026, early 2027. That's number one. And then obviously moving into permitting and final investment decision, for which we are fully capitalized to do here over the next couple of years.
John, congratulations on that uplisting. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Stephen. Always a pleasure.
John Passalacqua, the CEO of First Phosphate.